So Kaizer Chiefs 1 and Golden Arrows 0. So I just first of all, before everything else, I just wanna say it's like skide kahle nathi vele unyakeni vele yabo. And if I'm being honest, I'm genuinely happy because like this is the first game like of the year, and the last time we actually won a first game in the year, it was about 9 years ago when like I did like my research army, and it was an important match, and I hope this year we're gonna be keeping up the momentum. So yeah, let's start. Let's talk about the match. So like at the beginning of the match, starting from like a starting lineup, it was in the type of starting lineup that I was actually expecting, because Unto they put it Unto Monyane vele and Lilepo available on the same side, and the thing is that I would have preferred to Unto Solomon's available to Lilepo, because it is a thing which like I kind of feel like Monyane doesn't actually complement to Lilepo, which was why today we didn't see the best of him. I don't know if it was the thing which he was injured, or it was a thing yokuthi his akakwazi ukuthi vele adlalele vele phakathi vele akhathi, because Lilepo, remember, is the type of a player like ever since Africa is the type of a player ukuthi he loves to play vele about with like a line, and today he was forced to ukuthi Anto to cut inside and then let Monyane vele yabo do the overlapping and adlale vele ngeline, and that thing didn't actually compliment him vele yabo, which was why I will say he actually had like an horrible game. So overall, I just wanna say I hope he fixes that, they find a solution on that. Or I would have preferred to ukuthi bafake vele uMonyane noMfundo Vilakazi vele, because it is a thing ukuthi uMonyane noMfundo Vilakazi, uMfundo vele is the type of player ukuthi thanda vele ukukhatha, and then unto uMonyane also the way vele ngakhona vele yabo, he was going to be able ukuthi like adlale kahle ngaleyo ndlela leyo vele yabo. Even though at the end of the match I actually like saw like Amanto compliments and stuff vele about my players when they were actually introduced, which is something also I just want to speak about the improvement to the game. But overall the match vele today, I feel like I'm being honest, I wasn't happy with it as much. I wasn't happy like that much with like match like today, if I'm being honest, because I felt like we could have done more. I felt like we could, there was a time starting like from image where and I felt like we could have put into a pressure vele yabo ki Golden Arrows ukuthi sidlala vele nge-high line vele yabo, so bangakwazi ukuthi ba-build up, but we didn't do that enough. And then second of all, we allowed a Golden Arrows ukuthi vele to do that against us. But also I just wanna say ukuthi like uma defender give like flowers for ukuthi like singa concede even like a shot on target, even though there was a shot but not on target, which shows ukuthi even though they were doing that thing available, but we're able to defensively manage. But if like you get Amayama teams like Mamelodi Sundowns or Orlando Pirates, that is going to be a bit of a trick available. So that is something I told like game Lena, which needs to be fixed. And then another thing I just want to talk about the one and only where Benyat Ukacheni. What another performance from him like today. If like I'm being honest, I used to say ukuthi like my players amaningi vele yabo ama hardworking players and stuff about, but like with like Ukacheni uNdlovu, he was just something else. He was just something else today yabo. He was able ukuthi akade the other Kacheni lo kuyinto vele yabo Golden Arrows, because that guy is one of my players very good Golden Arrows, which I admire. Number 8, it was number 8 visit number 8. I admire that guy yabo, but like he was able ukuthi vele yabo allow my ball vela figure, because that is where Golden Arrows actually penetrates available with that guy playing as an attacking midfielder. And also with Umabo, also we have to give credits with Umabo for actually shadowing Unto available from like Golden Arrows side. And then also Bogumna with like Flavio Silva available, I wanted the boy to actually like get the goal today. So it was the thing be press high, and also like press high, but somehow we were able to see some good rotator. And these are the type of format games where we win, because sometimes you just need an ugly win, because this is the important part of the season yabo, because it is a thing ukuthi as much as like you might say ukuthi, or the people they might say ukuthi like we're not like ama-title contenders vele yabo, but it is a thing ukuthi also like reposition esikuyo vele yabo, it still allows us vele ukuthi vele sichase i-league. And another thing I just want to speak also like with like ama-subs that we actually introduced him unto uBatman unto Fundo Vilakazi, which actually had like I feel like they were bringing up again that momentum that was actually needed, and also Umayo available and Umabasa, I mean, as it was, I think it was his official senior team debut today, and the boy actually showed like he actually deserves to be on a senior team, because he actually had like a clean game. He was winning those balls, because there was a time Golden Arrows where they were getting momentum, and Mabas Batimabamfaga vele, he actually solved that problem available, and he was able to go to progress and also like mark. And then Upatmani, like the connection between him, you know, and Solomon's in that side available, it was actually so beautiful, because it was a thing which we were not losing our balls that much when we were actually attacking, and we were able to trying to play with our crosses, but we were able to see drift available, which is something that I wanted to actually talk about also. And also Mfundo Vilakazi available. Mfundo Vilakazi, today we saw a bit of a change with the position because it is a thing which usually Bamdlalisa on the right hand side, and today we saw him available playing on the left hand side, and he was even trying my shot with like his weaker foot, which is alright, because I think with him is that he's becoming predictable. Very said, even though he's actually doing very good to cutter and shoot available, but over too predictable, because you already know what is about to do. But today he was tested at another position, and also actually saw him as if he was even playing as well as 10. But the thing is that when they actually introduced Patmani, I saw Ulilepo coming as like a second striker, so it was a thing which they changed from like middle attacking midfielder to actually play with like 4-4-2 available, which is level now. So that was actually it, and another clean sheet for the one and only Brendan Peterson. And another thing that we just need to speak about also about Vettel and the VAR, as much as like we actually won today. I might be I might be a hypocrite, because the things that I'm a person that always loves to complain very with like I'm officials, which I have a complaint also with why I have not played the match today. But besides that, this thing VAR is actually killing like our football. The last match of the season, last year, I mean the last match of 2025, when Kaizer Chiefs they were playing, I think I don't remember which match that against Ian, but eventually I played a draw and five receivers got 10 and goal there, and then it was set offside. Today we are scoring a goal with like offside. Always I might be happy, I might say we should report to the nearest police station available, but that thing deserves to be fixed, because it is killing like Amanto our PSL football available, because sometimes there are other teams that benefit them more, and also it is a thing you would say the referees, they can be biased also. You never know. It is a thing which very corner of and stuff, even though they are not allowed. So you'll never know. And if they are, if like it is actually implemented, please let's fix that thing. I heard the Minister of Sport and Arts and Culture when he was speaking about which we are putting a bid for into AFCON that is actually coming at 2027. Let's just fix the VAR issue first before it's put a bid, if like we're being honest, because we need to improve about our football. How are we going to host into AFCON VAR, even though I know which very careful, which is crazy, which it is able which very matches available which are actually international very careful and stuff. But yeah, man, we'll see. My man of the match today, it is one and only Kajedi Uboya Benyati and to Tulan Mabaso. Yeah, man, I hope we're gonna be seeing more of him, and we just need to pick up this momentum going forward. And from me to you, Achabulile Makhosi Umbuzo Uthi bye. abanye bangena kanjani kunyaka omusha because it is a tough match le abazoyidlala vele yabo, but we don't know since Isikhukhune sele saluza today and they are playing again within a couple of days. Maybe they might have an advantage, but you'll see me on that video. Thank all.